Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how did I make that render. So let's get started. First, for the ground, I've used a Quixel beach asset. It's a rock. It's a beach boulder. You can use whatever type of rock you want. You just need to have like nice variation at the top. Also, Quixel Beach is a free app if you have an Epic Games account, so go for it. Now for the ice shader, it's pretty simple. I have first a standard material. I have 0 the roughness. I have decreased the IOR to 1.3 on 1. And for the most important parameter, the subsurface, I have changed the color to something bluish. I have increased the weight to 1, increased the scale to 10, and I have increased the anisotropy to 0.5. If we check the render, you will see that we already have a nice ice shader. But now what we will do is add some displacement. So for the first displacement, I've used a frost map from Grayscale Gorilla. I've used that one because there is a lot of details, so it will work good for us. So I will put first displacement. I will go to my camera. We will see that we already have a really nice result with like a lot of details coming from the displacement. But now I will add a second max and noise to add some more details and some more variation to it. I will just take a screenshot. I put a displacement blender where I put my second max and noise. I have increased the blend weight to 1 and checked the additive mode. So when I put that here, you will see that we like have some variation to it. If I take a second screenshot, like it adds some nice little details to our ice shader. You can use as many max and noise, as many texture map as you want to make it even more detailed. For the frost map, this one I paid for it, but you can use like grunge or dirt map that has a lot of details. It can work as good as this map. So you just need to try. So it's good for this eye shader. I don't have a lot more to say, but now I can show you the light setup. The light setup, it's also pretty simple. I have a big light coming from the back, and I have a smaller one coming from the left. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can send me a message on Instagram or just drop a comment. Thanks again and see you.